George of the jungle, strong as he can be.
Did we just get a big Merry Christmas ahead of time from the Federal Housing Finance Agency? I think so. That's what we're going to be talking about in thecreditjungle.com today. This is George Anderson, and thanks for joining us. On Tuesday, November 30th, the Federal Housing Finance Agency, which is kind of the regulator for Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, and the agencies that are the primary market for mortgage loans, they announced that the nationwide loan limit, the floor for all counties, has gone up over $98,000 from where it is today. It's gone up to $647,200. What does that mean, and how does it benefit you? Well, what it means is that if you're going to put down 5%, you can now purchase a much more expensive home with only a 5% down. Jumbo loans, which are loan amounts above that floor level, are going to require 10% down and sometimes 15 or 20% down. So what it does is it makes these higher priced homes where previously you would have been tapped out at about $575,000, well, with 5% down, now you can move that scale up a little bit to about $675,000, $680,000 with a minimum down payment. So a lot of people have seen that housing prices have gone up faster than their ability to be able to come up with the down payment. They might be able to qualify based on their credit and their debt to income ratios, but those prices have gone up to where they can't accumulate the down payment that they need quickly enough. Now this is quite significant. This is an 18% increase from where it was last year. And just to put this in perspective, my first year in the mortgage business in 1989, from 1989 to 1990, the conforming loan amount actually went down $150. I've got a link down here on the bottom where you can go and pull up an interactive map that will show every county in the US, and you'll notice that there's some areas that are other than a gray color, that those are high cost areas where you can actually finance more with a 5% down payment before you get into the jumbo loan category. So these increases sometimes are like nothing. For several years there would be no increase, but a 4 to an 8% increase has been typical in the past. So this is an acknowledgement by the Federal Housing Finance Agency that home prices nationwide have gone up significantly during 2021. Now, whether we attribute that to inflation or anything else, I'll let somebody else argue that over Christmas dinner. But this does make the more expensive homes, probably in that $575 to $675 price range, these homes now are more accessible because you don't need as much money down to get the good terms and the higher debt to income ratios and everything that comes with a conventional loan. So anyway, hopefully that is helpful information for you. Thanks for coming into thecreditjungle.com today. Remember, you can push button, get mortgage professional. I'm George Anderson, and I would love to help you. Have a great day.